Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your own free ringtone for the iPhone. Open up your iTunes and go to the song you want to use. Here I'm going to use one of my friend's songs here. And once you've found the song, you want to select a specific part of the song you want to use. Like I've already decided I'm going to use from 48 to 108 on this song. And once you've got that down, you want to right click on the song, go to Get Info, select the Options tab, put the start time, put the stop time, and hit OK. And now you want to right click on the song again, go to Create AAC Version, hit it, you'll see a little conversion signal sign coming up on the left in the playlist, and the song will pop up in your iTunes, and you'll notice that the time is the shortened time that you've selected. Now you take the song, you go to right click it again, go down to Show in Windows Explorer, click on that, and you'll see the song here. It's an M4A file. You want to change the M4A, the file extension, to M4R for ringtone. It'll say that the file is unusable, you ignore it and hit yes, and then you right click on the new file and hit open. It should open up in iTunes and the ringtones, and it'll start playing. And then you go to your iPhone if it's hooked up already. Mine is. Go to the ringtones and I select the new song, and then I hit apply. Now make sure you go back to the original song and change the options to play the entire song. Otherwise it just keep playing the clip that you selected. One more last thing is that the iPhone will not let you accept any clips over 40 seconds. So make sure it's between 15 and 40 seconds to use. And enjoy your free ringtone.